Hi guys, so today I'll be talking about and leading you through about 10 different shortcuts and hacks for Mac users. So if you ever want to find something on your computer but you don't want to go looking through a bunch of files, an easy way to do it is just clicking Command and Spacebar. This is called the Spotlight search, and then from there you'll be able to find the file that you're looking for as well as a word in the dictionary. Moving on to the function keys. The first one, F3, is used to activate Mission Control. Mission Control allows you to overview all running applications and also move in between desktops and also add desktops. By clicking F4, you activate the function of seeing all downloaded apps on your Mac that are also not present on the dock. By holding down on a specific app, you can move it around to rearrange it or simply drag it onto the dock for it to be present on the dock. If you're leaving your Mac out in the open and don't want people having the options to have access to it, a super easy and quick way to lock your Mac is by pressing Command Control and Q. This basically turns your Mac off and you have to enter the password to regain access to it. When using Google or Safari and you don't want to move your cursor up and down your screen, press Command Z to open a new tab and Command T to open a tab that you closed. The Command T is great when you have accidentally closed on a tab that you are using and want to reopen it. If you ever want to quickly switch between apps without moving your cursor, press Command and Tab. Tab is the button with an arrow and a line. This trick here allows you to quickly switch between running applications. Moving on to screenshots and screen recording. If you want to screenshot your entire screen, simply press Command-Shift-3. This takes a photo of your entire screen. Now if you want to screenshot a specific area, for example an image or text, simply press Command-Shift-4. The image screen recorded will appear in the bottom right corner of your computer screen. And finally, by pressing Command-Shift-5, you get all the different screenshot options as well as screen recording options, which is what I used for this video. Just like screenshots, you can choose to record the entire screen, which is what I did for this video, or choose a specific part of the screen which you want to screen record, for example an image or a text or anything really. Now I hope this video was somewhat helpful and thank you so much for watching.